International Mother Language Day celebrated at Dongmukak. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jirbon Kilingpi bringing you news for this morning, and now the news in detail. Under the initiative of the Dongmukak branch of the Karbi Lamet Amay and the Arling People's Foundation, the International Mother Language Day was celebrated at Dongmukak on Sunday. During the occasion, 2 books were released by Chief Engineer Borsing Rongpi. The event was held at Longkam Teron Auditorium at Dongmukak Market. The program was chaired by Dongmukak Karbi Lamet Amay President Robindra Rongpi. Water Resources Department Chief Engineer Borsing Rongpi was present as the chief guest. KLA Dongmukak Branch former Secretary Probhat Teron, Arling People Foundation President Borsing Kro, Joycing Bay and several ward commissioners of Dongmukak Municipal Board were also present. During the program, the accounts of the lives of Lamet Guru Longkam Teron and Joycing Rongpi shared. All speakers at the event asserted that all Karbis must be conscious of the fact that the loss of language could lead to the disappearance of an entire tribe, and made fervent appeal upon all parents and elders towards teaching their children the correct way of speaking in one's mother tongue language.
Pinige International Mother Language Day pulo lake imethang ipialam karchuji aphan awareness among the peoples manela imethang amuni dang bong imethang alam kepachan ji aphan kepachini ji aphan la awareness kiwana aphan program lo la si pini la so dak nang chitong duno pod iningarong piglo la penke International Mother Day pulong te lake United Nations si approve kuri tang pod mane initiated by Bangladesh jala suhut ke jala mupen la melong than bang anudenu than bang dolo la silan ke nilige thanam de do la si non bang ke basically ke International Mother Day pulong te mithang ke alam ching honang po chiru nang po mane awareness chiwanang po la pen ke la so puthak se penang an pinita chingkilo chingwailo chingsailo la si penang an ke la lame name pen ta klempo la pen ke Karbi People's Foundation de la tumbenta klempo la si la soda ke mane rat atum rubatum munit atum chirabdu nang po.
2 books, namely Karbi Lam Teching Bar Lapen Tasam Arond by Probhat Teron and Mondo Rongpar's Netumarong, were released by the chief guest. Samsing Ingti from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. In a stark contrast to constant chest-thumping claims of immense development under the present government, Naga Rengma English LP School is literally turning into a habitation for the wild creatures following non-appointment of teachers for more than 3 years now. Located more than 10 kilometers away from Koilamati in Sati Arong, under the Nilip MSC constituency, the Naga Rengma English LP School was established way back in 1949 by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. But the failure of appointing teachers for this school has led to its present condition. Following this, the villagers told Karbi Anglong Live that they have been forced to send their children to Koilamati, Chokihola, Silonijan, Dipu and other places for schooling and higher education. In a situation like this, any possibility of the local people of this area for improvement of their lives and getting job or any employment is cut off at the basic level, as future of every citizens and families greatly depends on the education and access to other equally important basic needs like electricity, roads, healthcare and others. The abandonment and lack of attention towards the basic needs and infrastructures of this area by successive governments and parties is only one of the many areas of the hill districts where leaders would only visit once every 5 years before election. Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. The 17th Bokajan LAC Women Football Championship 2021, sponsored by Bokajan MLA Dr. Numal Momin, is underway in Sangtihidi. The football championship is being held at Balipotar Higher Secondary Playground. The 17th Bokajan LAC Women Football Championship 2021 being organized by Balipotar Sport Association, which kicked off on Sunday after an opening ceremony chaired by BSA President Dilip Rongpar, who was assisted by Secretary Dilip Ingti. The inaugural was graced as chief guest by MLA Dr. Numal Momin and was also attended by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Jagat Singh Inti, MAC Mukut Mahanta, Handloom and Textile Board Chairman Silpa Siring Diuri, Ward Commissioner Meena Das and others. MLA Dr. Numal Momin inaugurated the football championship. The inaugural match was played between Hanjang Langsu FC and Mokuti FC. The match was won by the latter team, defeating Hanjang Langsu by 2-0 goals. Altogether, 16 teams are participating in the championship. Anand Terang's report from Bokajang for Karbi Anglong Live. Now, those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.